Oh, and a fun fact about me. Once, I wore mismatched sneakers to teach a whole class, and I didn't even notice until lunch. And I have a tiny cavapoo named Theo, and his favorite snack is watermelon. But even though it's online, it's actually very real. The manosphere is a nickname for a group of online spaces where some people, mostly men and boys, share their ideas about gender, dating, power, and what it means to be a guy, and try to figure out what really makes the most sense. For example, let's say I was watching a YouTube video called "This All Natural Weight Loss Pill Changed My Life. I lost 15 pounds in a month without even working out." Like someone saying or doing something they never actually did. Imagine if someone created a fake video of you doing something embarrassing or against the law. They could then try to blackmail you with that fake video, threatening to send it to your friends or family unless you send them sexual photos or money. Just for fun, let's take grade 7 Salima. And let's just say that grade 7 Salima had a crush on a guy named grade 7 Chris.
Hi.
That part may or may not be a true story.